slam dunk, are you ready to meet me? I'm in and I'm riding the fast lane. Don't let me down, I'm on fire.
I am very excited to see your beautiful face here with me today. Thank you for coming back to my channel. I hope you loved the first 2 episodes. Today is going to be maybe the most exciting video yet. I am taking you with me to a non-toxic makeup artist house. Her name is Carson Stern, and she is going to teach us some real expert makeup application tips. I'm not a makeup artist, so I can show you things. I like to play with makeup, just like you probably do if you clicked on this, but having someone who really knows how to use non-toxic products and how to create a flawless finish is something that I'm very excited about, and I cannot wait to share that with you. Let's get into makeup with Carson.
My sort of makeup style is very natural, very flawless, and just like easy.
I love a golden glow and a golden look, but I'm not a makeup artist, so I don't really know the expert tips and tricks and how to blend things as well. I'm just kind of like on the go, trying to make it all come together. So I'm excited to see how you do it.
Yeah, we're actually gonna start with base.
I got what you need, I got what you want, I got what you need.
This foundation really does blend out so beautifully. And something else about makeup is that I would say it's 80% skincare and skin prep. So Celeste is making my job.
Besides, I do
So
have a zit
easy.
there, so just cover that little guy up.
What?
A little
Never.
tequila zit. And I also wanted to let you loves know that every product that we're going to use today, I'm going to link in the description. So if you want to try anything, it'll all be there for you.
Call her whoop, cause she poppin'. D4 well, that's no option.
I have issues with foundation sometimes because I'm super acne prone, but this one I can use consistently and it doesn't break me out, which is very rare in this world.
This is the Beauty Counter Concealer.
Ooh.
This is one of my favorites because it's very moisturizing. Like everything I'm putting on your face right now is going to be moisturizing to the gods.
Okay, I love it.
So
this looks like the Touche
Clat. Yeah, exactly.
The YSL dupe
Exactly.
for non-toxic.
Exactly.
Which is the whole point of today's video. I want to show you things that are as effective and beautiful as your toxic favorites.
And that's what's so cool about the clean beauty industry right now is that everything's really catching up and like exceeding beyond, honestly.
Cheddar cheese, Velveeta, put in work.
I'm putting on a little Vapor Beauty blush right now. It's called Spark. It's like this gorgeous corally pinky blush, and I'm just patting it on with my finger on her cheeks. And I highly recommend, if you haven't tried cream blush, a lot of people haven't, it is the best way to get the most natural, flushed, fresh, youthful look. Like,
And so you're adding a little blush to the nose as well. Okay.
that's just like a little, it adds more, it gives more of a natural look. Another really good tip about blush, if you want it more youthful, more natural looking, do it closer to the center and higher on the face.
That's why we're here today.
Yeah.
All the secrets.
I have so many. I might just like throw some highlighter on you. This is one of my favorites. It's the Vanilla Highlighter by Airpress. It looks like this.
Double up, and I can't waste none of my time, so stop clogging on my line.
I'm just going in with a little bit of eyebrow. You have like the most perfectly groomed eyebrows I've seen. So one of my favorite eyebrow tips I've ever learned was filling, if you want like a really fluffy brow, fill them in backwards. Do really light little strokes going backwards in the hairs, and this is just gonna really lightly apply pigment right where you need it, and it's not going to give a really harsh line. What I will do is I'll do a little line down at the end of the tail, just to give the tail some structure.
Yeah.
But other than that, I'll just like, and then you can fill in your brows in 2 seconds. You can kind of just go back and forth really lightly. If you want them to be fluffier and more luscious, I like the 2-step method, which is brow pencil first, because that's going to like attach pigment to the skin.
Okay.
And then brow gel is going to attach pigment to the hairs.
Oh.
So that's why I like doing both. So I'm just going to do a light amount. We're not going for absolutely mind-blowing editorial crazy brows.
Right.
But for everyday brows, you can throw in the pigment really fast and then brush it out with a clean spoolie. And it just gives a really natural, fluffy, feathery brow look. I assist artists who do the biggest of the biggest celebrities, all of them. And the more experience you get over time, the lighter your hand becomes. I like almost forgot to bronze you.
Don't forget to bronze.
I know.
I want all the
Oh my God.
bronze.
Exterior red and that inside buttercup. Yeah.
I like doing the 3
Oh,
sort of
yeah.
method. So you're keeping all that warmth on the side of the face. So what I do is I go sort of back and forth, and then sometimes I'll even go on the back of my hand to make sure there's not too much product. And that's something that like every makeup artist I've ever assisted does too. Yeah. Especially Mario. Kim's.
Yes.
He always
Makeup by
taps
Mario.
off. He always is like tapping off extra. I know Kim likes a lot of makeup. Now we're gonna get into eyes.
Okay.
I loved everything you said, by the way, because especially, I just wanted to add on really quickly to your skincare stuff. Some of the top makeup artists start with 20 minutes of just skincare, ice rolling, all kinds of facial massage, and like 3 different skincare steps before they even touch a piece of makeup. Like, if you want to know the insider secret, how celebrities look so beautiful on the red carpet, it's because they're literally taking 30 minutes to just do a face mask.
Yep.
And then facial massage. Yeah. What I'm going in with first, I'm going in with a cream eye base. You could use a blush, you could use a cream bronzer for this step. This is by the Organic Skin Company. It's like one of their eye bases. So
I've never even heard of an eye base.
it's like it's a cream eyeshadow.
I love it.
Yeah. So I love doing this, especially if you want something that's really easy to blend out. My eye look today, I just used a blush
So pretty.
in my eyes. So this is one of my favorite things to do. So I'm just gonna apply this right to the base of the lashes and then blend up. The other trick with it is to not use too much. Use as little as possible.
That's a good tip.
Yeah.
So it doesn't cake and then crease.
So I'm applying the smallest amount of the cream product under your eyes. A lot of people are afraid to put products on their lower lash line, but it frames the eyes. Celeste has these beautiful blue eyes. Regardless of the color of your eyes, what's happening right now is that bronze around your eyes is framing them. It's bringing them out. It's helping them pop more. This isn't a dark color. You don't need to use black or brown. You could use anything, golds, bronzy, coppers, all of that.
I'm never in the chair. I just have PTSD from being a teen and going to like a MAC counter. I'm sure people have the same experience.
Yeah.
Have you been to a MAC counter and had a bad experience? Comment below if you have. Did you look like a raccoon? Comment below. I used to watch What Not to Wear.
Me too.
And did you just die for Carmen D, the makeup artist?
Oh, yeah.
I learned everything from Carmen D.
Oh my
Like,
god,
all my
that's
makeup.
so sweet.
I was just a little girl watching how she did stuff, and
I love that.
she was so good.
She was so good. Did you watch What Not to Wear?
Comment
down
below. We'll see
No,
what
seriously,
age
tell
range
us.
is skewing.
Yeah. The inner corner highlight is just going to bring light to the eyes.
I love it.
It wakes you up. It completes the look. I can't finish a look. Please, by all means. I cannot finish a look
It's so
without
pretty.
having that inner corner highlight.
I love it.
Just to give the eyes a little wake up. Because we're in my house today. We're going to go in with some eyeshadow. I'm going to take Cinnamon, which is up here. And it's this beautiful sort of...
You're wearing it right now. It's perfect.
I'm not.
No, this.
Oh yeah, exactly. I'm all earth tones. I can't stop with the earth tones. So this is just a really beautiful brown, and it has a little bit of shimmer to it. So I'm applying it right against the lash line again. And what we're doing is we're just building layers upon layers to get a really seamless, gorgeous, soft look. It is essentially a smoky eye in its own way because you're basically smoking it out. You're creating a gradient with all these colors, and when you do these really light layers, it just makes it look even more seamless and flawless.
So pretty. This is what I need help with. I mean, the smoky eye seems like a daunting thing, but when you break it down, it doesn't seem that hard.
So it's so good that you mentioned that because I hear that so much, and I think it's because today with all the tutorials, everyone's saying start in the crease, which is up here.
Yeah.
Everyone says start in the crease, and that's fine. That works for a lot of people, but there are also a big portion of people where that just is too much eyeshadow all over the eye. In terms of what I think applies to most women today, this is the kind of look that I think you guys should all try, and I'm excited to see what you all come up with. definitely tag both of us when you're recreating this look.
Yeah, we will regram you. We love seeing things like that and seeing people trying non-toxic products. Whatever you have at home, tag us. I mean, it doesn't have to be non-toxic, but using these techniques.
What I'm doing now is I'm taking a fluffier brush and I'm going into the color Sable. So this is a matte sort of cool brown shade. And I'm just taking the smallest amount, tapping off any extra, and I'm just going right on the lid just to give a little bit more definition. And then I'm blending out, I'll get any excess off of my hand, and then I'll just blend out along her crease.
I feel like a whole new woman already. We don't even have mascara on.
I know. I love that. So then I'm going to take a little pencil brush, and I'm going to go back into Cinnamon and tap off the excess, look up to the ceiling. And now I'm just going to put a little bit on that lower lash line. Then I'm going to go back in with that blender brush. There's no product on it. And I'm just going to look up to the ceiling again. I'm just going to lightly blend that out.
My husband has the most beautiful honey-colored eyes I've ever seen. They're like yellow amber, so pretty.
Oh my god.
I've never even seen it.
Your babies will have crazy, if you have babies.
Yeah.
No pressure.
No. We're already planning it, so we will have them.
I'm sorry, we're like talking about all this. I don't know how.
No, it's fine. I'm an open book. Let's get into it.
Okay.
I mean, this is a new channel, but you're just going to know all the things. Get ready. More than you want to know, probably.
A quick little sparkling of Penny. It's the center shade in here. It's actually this really fine, like, glitter. That's amazing. You take it with your finger and then close your eyes. You put it right on your lid. I don't recommend using a brush for this.
Do you want to press that glitter in, right?
And it gives the most wet, glossy effect to the eyes because of how, like, tiny those particles are.
Oh my gosh, I'm just so excited to
This
see
is-
the final look. I was like, where am I going tonight, Carson? I feel like I need to do a gala. I need a gown, somebody. I love the different layers. The glitter on top is so pretty.
Isn't it nuts?
It's, yeah.
When you photograph with it in the sun, your eyes will look, like, glossy.
I love it.
I'm so happy you love it.
so much.
Another good tip about makeup is make sure you're doing it in good lighting. It's really fun to do your makeup in like your soft, warm bathroom lighting, and then you look outside and you're just like, what did I just do to my face? Like, do the harsh lighting use the harsh lighting when you're doing your makeup, because then it'll look good in all light. Like,
hot tip.
it's true.
Double check in your car. Worst case scenario, you don't have good light in your house.
The car mirror will tell you everything that you don't want to know. I feel like we're ready for mascara. Okay. Did you bring your fave?
Yes, I did.
Do you need an mascara curler?
I think I'm okay. I'm using the Honest Beauty mascara that I love. It has a primer end and then a regular end. I'm just going to do the regular one because the work you did is so beautiful. I don't need like big spider lashes to go with it.
When people ask me like, what do you recommend? I always say Honest first, especially if you want major lashes, like huge. And if you see, I have like a what's the best mascara under $25 video on my channel. We can like link it somewhere. I mean, spoiler alert, Honest won against like 6 others. And it's because it can give you like the most voluptuous lashes and it doesn't flake. Look completed.
Yep.
How are you feeling?
I feel amazing. I did my mascara, but now I need to just... It looks beautiful. I love the blush and the bronzer and just really everything you did with the skin. The eyes are stunning too. Not something I would normally do, but I love it. It is so pretty. What are we calling this look?
Just bronze goddess glittery deliciousness. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget, check out my channel.
Yes.
If you're curious for more makeup tips, on my channel we're going to be doing a video talking about skincare tips with Miss Celeste over here, so I'm really excited for that. Yes, cuts. Get those.